What is Kangen water? Kangen water is delicious water, created from Enagic's innovative water technology. Not only do these devices filter your tap water, but they also produce ionized alkaline and acidic waters through electrolysis. These waters can be used for various purposes, including drinking, cooking, beauty, and cleaning. 5 water types. First, strong kangan water. Second, kangan water. Third, clean water. Fourth, beauty water. Fifth, strong acidic water. Let's explain. First, strong kangan water. pH 11. Not for drinking. Strong kangan water preserves hygiene in your daily life due to its strong cleaning effect. It has dissolving and heat conducting benefits. Usage: food preparation and cleaning. Second, kangan water, pH 8.5 to 9.5. This type of water is perfect for drinking and healthy cooking. This electrolytically reduced, hydrogen-rich water works to restore your body to a more alkaline state, which is optimal for good health. Usage: drinking, food preparation, coffee and tea, soups and stews, and watering plants. Kangen water is also friendly to your budget and to the environment. Forget about buying and storing all those expensive plastic water bottles. Third, clean water, pH 7. Free of chlorine, rust and cloudiness. Neutral water is delicious drinking water. Usage: preparing baby food, taking medication. Fourth, beauty water, pH 4.0 to 6.0. Not for drinking. This slightly acidic water is recognized for its astringent effects. It's terrific to use for gentle cleaning and beauty care. Usage: face wash, hair care, pet care, polishing, cleaning, and preserving frozen food. Fifth, strong acidic water, pH 2.7. Not for drinking. This water has cleansing properties. Use strong acidic water to clean kitchen utensils, countertops, and more to prevent cross-contamination. Usages: cleaning and reducing germs, hygiene, and commercial operation. Hope you like